Do you want a healthier brain? Do you ever have trouble remembering what your boss said in that meeting 11 days ago, maybe 11 minutes ago? Maybe the meeting was an hour ago and your brain completely fell off that train of thought. What if you had a way to copy down endless notes? This is the reMarkable 2. This is the reMarkable Paper Pro. But I mean, what else have they done in the last 5 years besides these 2 tablets? And then there's the Move, which is like this really skinny, narrow thing. Yeah, they just came out with a new one, and oh, it's right here. Okay, ready? Let's make a small incision. Another small incision. Okay, more incisions. Oh. I've had this box for 2 days now. I just haven't had time to open it. What is it, puppy? What is it? It's the reMarkable Paper Pure. Ooh, what is that all about? I know. I'll let you play with the box later, okay? I'll let you play with the box later. Paper tablet marker. Includes reMarkable Paper Pure and marker. reMarkable, oh, that's French. Nice ear. And then it has a little pull tab. Okay, quite on set. Ooh, a box within a box. Well, there's a little pull tabs there. So this is model number RM12A. Marker RM04D. Okay. I've done this before. There we go. That was a cool sound. Oh, yes. Better paper, better thinking. What do you think, puppy? Okay, nice unboxing experience. So I can't help but compare the size to the reMarkable 2, and it is just slightly smaller. Oh, smell test. That's a good year. Hold the power button to get started. So what these things are, they're electronic notebooks with electronic ink. There, I held it. Oh, there we go. It's starting up. It's starting. You know, we should probably rotate. Oh, sorry, puppy. Oh. He doesn't quite. Okay, you can't really stand underneath the tripod. Okay, no, you're not going to chew on the tripod. Okay, you know, I'll just hold it. I'll just hold it. So we're going to do English. Let's set you up. Next, connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, reMarkable Paper Pure. USB charger. Nice. Ooh, nice stylus. You know, I'll be honest. I need to be honest because that's the way I was raised. It's too light. It needs to be heavier. But it looks nice, and wow, it smells like licorice. And mint toothpaste. That's random. Let's take a look at the charging cable. It looks to be identical to the reMarkable Paper Pro. I'm gonna have to label that so I don't mix them up. And marker tips. See, the marker tips are heavier than the stylus. Curiouser and curiouser. Oh, that's cool. Oh, yeah, I'm digging that. Very similar to the Paper Pro. So let's put that back in there. Okay, for the Wi-Fi, you literally just choose the Wi-Fi, type in the password. I'm not going to reveal mine. Do you want to reveal yours? I didn't think so. One thing I was really hoping for is that the stylus did not require charging. That's how the reMarkable 2 was, that's how the first reMarkable was, but for the Paper Pro, they went to a charging stylus, and I didn't want that. However, attach your marker. Snap the marker to the top right edge of the device. You will see a battery symbol. Now that it's awake, keep it attached for the rest of the setup. Bummer. Did you see that? Traces of previous images appear occasionally, so your display refreshes to clear them. This is completely normal for a digital paper display. Refresh again. Refresh again. Next. Huh, funny enough, that's the same on my Paper Pro. So this is color, black and white and gray, black and white and gray. Installing update. We're installing the latest features and improvements. This could take a few minutes. Okay, that's kind of cool. A headless person. Could be a dude, could be a dudette, could be a man dog. What do you think, puppy? Huh? Is it a man dog? Come on, hurry. Oh, and just like that, it's restarting. Paper tablet is restarting. It looks really similar to the reMarkable 2 that I unboxed almost 6 years ago. I like how bright the display is. Sometimes the display on the reMarkable Paper Pro is a little yellowish and too dark. There we go. Your paper tablet is running 3.27.2.2. Next. Get a verification code at myremarkable.com/pair. What? I'm going to try to do that on my phone instead of my laptop. And really what they should have is a QR code that connects you to that. But I think they're being a little lazy and they might change the URL. That's why they don't have that. reMarkable.pair. Oh, continue. Sign up. We'll sign up. Continue. Lots of fun. You have to sell your soul, or at least sell the soul of your email, and then you'll get another email to verify your account, and then it'll take you to a website, and it says email verified. Return to the previous tab. Okay. And there's my code. Yay. HK. I would not have guessed that. Pairing. What if I don't want to pair? Why can't I just set it up? Can you use the reMarkable without going into the cloud? That's a good question. 50-day free trial. What's that about? Access exclusive templates. $4 per month after that. Pairing successful. Try to connect. Claim your free trial. Next. Enter passcode. Start free trial. Looks like I don't have a choice. You always have a choice. You can just skip it, but then you wouldn't have, I would miss out on a bunch of the features, and I'm just not ready for that. There, I signed my life away. Annual billing now available. Get 2 months free. I have 1 of 5 devices paired. Manage devices. Paper Pure. Okay, cool. Apps. Read on reMarkable. You can do extensions. We'll play around with that. So it gives you a recovery. I'm going to be a righty, and you are good to go. Oh, that might make a good thumbnail right there. New features from meeting and reviewing experiences to addition to the image. Support AI tools to read full release notes. Get started. Go further. Discover online tutorials. See, there's a QR code. Ready to capture your ideas, organize thoughts. Yep, I've had reMarkable for a while. So the battery came at 68%. If I go to settings, so it's pretty quick. Marker is already at 100%. Compliance statements. Holy cow, I'm not going to read that. There's the model. So this is the free marker that it came with. And check for updates. Your device is up to date. How much storage do we have on this thing? 22 gigabytes. Wow, that's plenty. Access your device in a web browser. Okay. Display visible content, show your locked rotation. Yeah, let's keep it in portrait. Accessibility, large, left, right. Cloud, check sync. No syncing errors, general. Long press for actions to select an item. Yep, I know that. And what's that? Create a meeting note. Stay focused, stay engaged, get organized, add your Outlook. Okay, cool. Okay, I want to create a meeting note. Go to myremarkable.com/integrations. Close. Okay. Wait, I want to create a meeting note. How do I get that back? Settings. Display. Ah, shoot. General, battery. Well, good thing I was videoing it because I don't know how to get that back. Okay, let's just try that. Oh, sorry. Knife safety, Malacqua. Always close the blade. Hey, puppy. It's just Logan. Notebook. Line medium. So the responsiveness is pretty good. No haptic feedback, of course. Day 1, create. Ah, the free stylus does not come with an eraser. Oh, but wait. My other fancy stylus works on it without even pairing, and I have an eraser. Well, that's cool. I wonder if I can charge this. It looks like it. Are you charging? Nope, not yet. So we can just do erase all strokes. So we have the ballpoint pen, we have the fine liner, highlighter, Pink, blue, orange, still no red, pencil. Very similar. Let's try pencil. Okay, the pencil, does it feel differently than mechanical? Yes, it does. Nice nib.